Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm moving on to project number 2 in my Pasteloween swap. I am making clipboards. It is a clipboard swap, but I'm making them out of these charcuterie boards. They are the square ones from Scrapdiva Designs. I'm using the largest die for this, for the background. So I'm doing a gold background, and what I'm doing now is just adhering it to the chipboard. So I'm going to get these cut out, and then this is going to go on the front of each one, so that will give the gold will show through a little bit like that. And then I wanted to finish the back, so I have this same shape cut out in the back, and I'll just glue it to the back after they're cut out. So I have all 4 taped down, and now I'm just going to cut them out. All right, let's go ahead and get these covered now before I blind you guys with the gold on them. Let's do the backs first. So I have 2 different patterns for the backs, just because I don't have a ton of paper from this collection, so just use what I had. But these are good projects to use them for because I don't have a ton of paper piecing that I need to do. So that's the back. Here's the front, and then we'll put this on. Are you guys doing Halloween crafting? Are you doing fall crafting? I was gonna do some fall crafting, and I was going to set up my tier tray, which I still think I might, but I had to pull out all my Halloween stuff to do this project, so I don't know if I just want to, if I'm gonna put it all back, or just maybe keep it in the boxes, but keep it out here, because I would like to do some fall crafting. I don't know if I'm ready to jump all the way into Halloween yet, but I don't know, getting this stuff out got me excited for it. I feel like as much as we all love fall, we tend to skip over it because we're all excited for Halloween. All right, I've got all 4 of these done. Here are the backs. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue a clip onto each one. I did not look at this ahead of time to see what colors I had. Let's see, I think I like that one, that one. All right, I have 3 black, and I do have 1 pink. Yep, I don't have a 4th black, so I think I'll go with this. And let's see how I'm gonna do this. I know I'm gonna hot glue them on, maybe just up here, just that. And just make sure it's centered. All right, we'll see how that's gonna hold. Okay. gonna start decorating these up. So let me get out. Got this sticker sheet. Actually, I think I have 2 sticker sheets. So this sticker sheet, this sticker sheet, this chipboard, and 3, 4, and a few more ephemera packs. So you don't have to worry about using things up. I do want to keep the backs fairly flat because you know, stuff is going to be clipped on top of it, so I don't want to get too thick. Oh, there's 2 chipboards. Okay, we have quite a few to work with. I think I'm going to save the chipboards, chipboard stickers. I'm going to, and these are 2 different ones. So this is the blue pack. This is a different pack. The blue pack looks like it has more labels and sayings. And then this has more icons. So, all right, so let's start with, I'm gonna move you guys back just a little bit. I don't know if that helped at all, but let's start with this. Actually, this one's already cut off. So I think I'll do a haunted house on each one, but let's see if I can separate these. So I'm just gonna go up here and down there. And over underneath the U. Okay, perfect. So we'll go this way. So I'm gonna use that as a background. Now, if you guys do swaps, do you work in bulk like this where you do them all at once, or do you go one at a time? Be curious to see how other people do it. All right, I've got another house here, cutting apart. Cut this tree off here. And then this last one is not going to have a tree, but that's okay because it's a little bit bigger. And we'll just go like that there. Okay. Now I have oh, these are cute. Let's do these across here somehow. We're going to do that. So we're going to go that. Go that. Okay guys, so I have these all done as much as the decorating that I'm going to do. Now I'm going to, I think, tie a ribbon around the top of each clip here and then put a little Halloween charm on. So I'm going to use these larger rings like that. I'm almost out. I need to pick some more of those up at Hobby Lobby. I don't have a ton of Halloween charms. Let's see. I've got these orange pumpkins, and actually, these have silver on the top. Yeah, I don't want to use those. Got a spider. Got that jack-o'-lantern. I've got, that's a spider web. I've got a spider, and I've got a bat. I could do each one different. That, and those all have gold in them. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Actually, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I have some fabric here that I can use. These were bows that I had created last year that I'm just going to take apart and reuse. I'll retie them in a bow. They're double layered, so go through the top. I think I'll do a bow. I don't know if the bow is going to cut it. I think I might just do a double knot. There we go. Yeah, that looks better. I'll clip these off. And then I'm going to come in with my rings here. These are so sturdy. Seriously, these are my favorite jump rings to use. I like the gauge. They're not going to come apart on me. And we'll go with the bat on here. Of course, it's backwards. You know, I got a 50-50 shot, and it always is the wrong way. There we go. There we go. Super cute. I'm loving how these are turning out. I might cut these down a little bit more. All right, let's go ahead and finish these up, guys. This is how they turned out. Like I said, I wanted to keep these kind of simple. I think on the back, I'll put my stamp with my name on it here. And then we'll work on filling these up next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.